Welcome to this ReadMate training. You will learn how to use the ReadMate. For this training, you need your ReadMate, headphones, some sticky notes, a blank sheet of paper, an easy novel to read, and the ReadMate progress chart. Please turn off the video and gather these things. Before you begin reading, you need to establish your peripheral vision. Fast readers read in phrases or chunks of words rather than word by word. Do the following to determine your peripheral vision for reading. Focus on one letter in the middle of a page. Put a thumb on both sides of the letter. Without moving your eyes to the right or to the left, pull your thumbs away along the line of print as far as you can while still being able to identify every letter. If your eyes move, start again on another line. Turn off the video and find your peripheral vision. Replace your thumbs with your thumb and forefinger. This distance is the span of your peripheral vision for reading. Keep your thumb and forefinger in this measured distance and focus in the middle of that space. You should be able to see every word and letter within this boundary. Your eyes only pick up information when they are stopped. The goal is to pick up as much information as you can during that one stop instead of seeing only one word and having to stop on every word. Practice moving your hand like this across lines of print, trying to see everything within that peripheral span. Turn off the video and practice doing this for at least half a page. Before reading, always preview the text. How you do that depends on the type of text you are reading and the purpose for which you are reading it. Make this text as familiar as you can in 3 to 5 minutes. The more you know about the text before reading, the faster you can go, and the more you'll understand. Of course, in reading a novel, you do not want to know how it ends. So just look at the title, the information on the cover, the front matter including the table of contents, and any illustrations. As you are reading, you need to stop after sections of text to write down what you just read. We call this downloading. You need to move this information from your short-term memory to your long-term memory. When beginning, place sticky notes at every half-page interval in your text to remind yourself to pause and download. As you progress in your reading abilities, you may be able to go farther than half a page before needing to download. Using what you learned from the preview, set a purpose for reading this text. To set a purpose, ask yourself, what is it you want to know and understand about this text by the time you finish reading it? Turn off the video and preview your text. Place sticky notes along the way for downloading later, and set purposes for reading this text, something you want to learn from it. We will now show you how to turn on your ReadMate and move the line read rate to 25. Next, you will press the function key. You should see L. This means the ReadMate will stay at a line read rate of 25 until you change it manually. Pause the video and move your line read rate to 25, and be sure you are on function L. Watch and listen to a reader doing the next steps. Prop your book at a 45-degree angle, which is best for your eyes and comfort. Put on your headphones. Press hold. The LED screen disappears, and you now hear the round sound. Use 2 hands to speed up your reading. One hand steadies the book and turns the page. The other hand is a pacer. Move your finger in an underlining motion across the first line of print in sync with the louder sound of the ReadMate. Notice this reader is using 2 kinds of pacers, a visual pacer, his finger, and an auditory pacer, the ReadMate. Take a moment to watch the reader move his finger in sync with the ReadMate. Learn how the sound fits with the line of reading. Now you try to read with your ReadMate. Use your finger to underline while reading in rhythm with the ReadMate's circular swooshing sound that we call the round sound. Adjust the line read rate to a comfortable but fast reading pace. A comfortable pace is where you understand what you are reading while following the round sound. Record this beginning line read rate on your ReadMate progress chart. Warning: when first using the ReadMate, realize it takes time to get used to this new way of reading. You are doing many new things at once. Think of learning to drive a car. Be patient. It will become natural with time. Experiment with the line read rate until you find a good starting pace for you. Then use the ReadMate and your finger to read at least half a page. Turn off the video and do this. You are now ready to begin your ReadMate drill using function L. Be sure you do 3 things. 1. Move your finger across the line of print in rhythm with the ReadMate round sound. 2. Use your peripheral vision to see as much text as you can each time your eyes focus across the line of print. 3. When you come to a sticky note, press hold and list what you remember using words, phrases, even pictures, but not whole sentences. Try to do this downloading in under 2 minutes. Increase the line read rate a little, as much as you can, but so you are still understanding something. Focus on what you are understanding, not on what you are not. It is important in increasing your reading speed that you continue forward, even when you don't think you are understanding everything. Be highly alert, and you will be amazed how much you did understand when you reach your sticky note and do your download. Have faith in the process, even though you intuitively will want to slow down. Try to practice this drill at least half an hour. At the end, chart your beginning line read rate and your ending line read rate. This video is finished. Now you practice all that you have learned. Happy reading!